estic preparat, un poc nerviós ara, moltes coses a tindre en compte, però això val la pena, per això tants de mesos de treball, per a gaudir-ho avui.
Hey, hey, I gotta cut to the chase. Everyone give me some space. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Impact, I'm ready to brace. We fall down and land on our face, just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. They live through the story they made, okay? Boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. Hey, legends don't die anyway. I was working on a play today. Body bags covered away. I paved, zipped up like a bathing ape. How many of us then came and stayed? Not too many. I've been staying awake to get it and get right on every mistake. I give them a bite, they taking a plate. It's all been a feeling that I couldn't shake. So I just keep killing till I'm at the gates. We straight, we treat them like worms in a lake. They bake, just give me a drum and a bass. I skate and grind till I'm numb in the face, okay? Don't fuck up my day. Don't talk about clutch, I got ice in my veins. I'm colder than Trey, I stick to the code. I'm glitching the game. I do anything for the win at the end of the day. I gotta cut to the chase. Everyone give me some space. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Impact, I'm ready to brace. We fall down and land on our face, just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. They live through the story they made, okay? Boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. Legends don't die anyway.
La setmana Alejo ha vingut així i ens ha donat premis per a tot aquell que quasi que passe. Com en una intenció a menys de 300 metres del pavelló, li caurà un calendari. Timac Castellón, Campus PBC, Fabi Gym, anirem parlant d'ells. Moltíssimes gràcies. Tenim també els habituals Cerveza Saltalla, que en este cas tenim a Zombie Paella amb els seus jocs de taula i Iberia Mascarac.
Fear none, gotta stand tall too many times. Bust down a new Jacob, just too many diamonds. Like, what you gonna do, baby? You too damn fine. Let's run it up. They don't wanna see us in the playoffs. 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 I could see y'all play out. Y'all boys gon' lose it, ain't no doubt. Can't use my name for no more clout. Y'all wanna win, just follow my route. Shorty rolling, shorty trying to get it rolling. Young and grinding, you gon' get it. Put them teeth up in the slowly. You gon' drive 1,000 miles till his pockets keep on growing. I be skating all the ice on my neck like a goalie. When she with you, yeah, shorty, she pursuing me. Would hate if I was you, yeah. We the best to do it, baby. We the best to do it, We the best to do it, baby. Got a hat trick that these sugar on the daily. My mom gone, I just crashed a new Mercedes. Took a picture with her, now I think she famous. It's bye-bye, little baby. I'm in the trap on like Jordan, like we in the 80s. In the field, youngest don't grind like Brady. Catching players always 50K, what they gotta pay me.
A nosaltres ens agrada el bàsquet i quina millor manera de poder retransmetre aquesta passió que sentim per aquest esport que poder fer-ho en la nostra llengua materna i poder disfrutar-ho en aquesta proximitat, no? Jo crec que això és lo important que ens deixa fer.
I got the motion, like 24/7, we get it, we run up a check. I'm in the yours, they call me a gold black fortress to make them upset. BB's a bustin', can't go no SIs, my jeweler a chef, king of the city. Best of the best. Shorty rollin', shorty tryna get it rollin'. Young and grindin', he gon' get it. Put them peas up in the stoley. He gon' drive 1,000 miles, so his pockets keep on growing. I be skiing all this ice on my neck like a goalie. When she with you, yeah, shorty, she pursuing me. Would hate if I was you, yeah. We the best to do it, baby. We the best to do it, We the best to do it, baby.
Juan de Villa Catalina está esperant un bebé de una de les icòniques xiques de l'Escadi.
¡Qué bonito!
Un fort aplaudiment, per favor.
Está esperando un bebé.
Catalina, Catalina.
Final del partit, final de la copeta. Platino Palazón revalida títol, guanyadors de la copeta. I Via Catalina amb una grandíssima actuació en tot el torneig, segons de la competició, Raquel. Fortíssim l'aplaudiment per als tercers classificats. Fallo técnico, sense dubte, un dels favorits d'esta copeta. I direm, qui ha sigut l'MVP, no? Qui ha pogut ser diferencial, qui ha pogut marcar una diferència un any més en la copeta. Demanem la presència a Sergi, que convalida de nou MVP. Gràcies a les tantes persones que s'han passat així de públic, tantes persones que s'han passat per streaming. Ens veiem pròximament en més bàsquet, més esport, més valencià, més xarxes socials i tot en pro, en positiu, en amics, en gent que estimem. Un aplaudiment per totes nosaltres, clar que sí. Gràcies, bona nit.